Alright, I think we're about ready to start taking this side of the case off. And this looks like the fun part, because, yeah. That one looks like it'll be easy to get to. That one will be. That one, maybe not so much. Is that all there is? It's like 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 to get this side off. Looks, well, ironically, out of these 4, I guess, last. I think we got like grief. I think I only got one more bolt after this. And then we got to find somebody with a parts bin cleaner. So I can buy some gippity goop myself. Keep your stuff together. Got one more, I guess. It looks like a 10mm. It is turning the whole deal. Got that one out. That may be all. I'll run them from the other side too. So I do have one little, it's a flathead right there. Which don't seem right, but need a bigger size. Let's try this one. Not 100% sure that was supposed to be in there. There. Right here. Oh, fingers. I think it's close to come off. We're close. We're close. Oh yeah. Something's happening. Alright, we got half off. Like on the inside. This cam just come on out now. Got a couple of little goofy looking retainer washers on there, which we'll put this in a plastic bag and wipe that down. God, that's just like solid grease. Cam looks okay though, I think. Yeah. And the cam lobes will clean up pretty dang good. There's another washer on there that's beveled towards the bottom, towards the gears. So these two are probably the same type deal, whatever they are. I'm gonna put. All right. So I guess that's just that. I'm gonna zip tie these together with a small zip tie. Actually, we'll just put them in the bag. It'll be alright. That's the last piece. Let's try it. Let's see what happens. Maybe we can flip it over and hit the case and it'll come out. Cranks out. Alright. Alright, so honestly, most of this just looks like surface rust, and a lot of it's literally just about wiping off. I need to go find somebody with a parts washer, and I think maybe I don't even have to take this apart. The bearings weren't in any fluid, and there was still oil in there, and I don't want to have to mess with this. These move just fine, so if I can clean them off and re-lube them, that'd be awesome. He did drain the motor, so obviously the water didn't fill up the oil and end up messing up the rest of the stuff, but even this bearing feels 100% okay. But it needs to be clean, and after we clean it, then we'll double check it and go from there. But we're going to need seals, so we'll find out what seals it takes and all that, and valve, anyway. Alright,